Hey guys, Huda here from the.com and today I am here with a new video showing you how to migrate from WordPress.com to your self-hosted WordPress.org. So let's get started. So before we start today's video, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And once you do, press the bell button so that you're the first to know whenever a new video is published. Now let's get started. Before we get into this migration, I want to explain the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is the free WordPress platform where whenever you have, you create a site there like Blogger for Google, but this is for WordPress. So whenever you create a website, it's free. You don't have to pay any hosting or domain name, but you always have the WordPress branding there. So for example, in this example, this is just a dummy site that I've just created with some dummy articles, and it's esljoint.wordpress.com, which means that this is a free site. So because it has .wordpress.com, okay. And then the site where I want to migrate this to is esljoint.com. And as you can see here, there are no posts. I have just installed WordPress here. So we are going to migrate this site, the free one, into our self-hosted domain and hosting here. It's fairly easy to do and it doesn't really take a long time. Just follow the video and then you'll be able to do it. If you still have any problems, I have written a blog post that shows you step by step with screenshots what you need to do if you want to follow that instead. And the link to the blog post will be right under the description of this video in here in YouTube if you're watching in YouTube. So let's get started. So this is the site that we have, and I've only added here about 6 blog posts about cats. And let's go to the back office of this. So this is the back office of WordPress.com, which is your free platform. This is WordPress.org, which is your self-hosted platform. Okay, let's not get confused. So this is WordPress.com. So the first thing we're doing is going to our back office in WordPress.com, and once there, we go to Tools and click on it. Once we click on Tools, you see a drop-down menu here, and then you just click on Export. So we click on Export. So once we click on Export, we click on Export All. And then it's going to start exporting all our content in here. It just takes a couple of seconds. And once it's done, you will see here this message: your export was successful. A download link has also been sent to your email. You can either check your email or you can click download here. So we're going to click on download and we're going to save this. Now, once you click on the download button, the file that you will download is going to be compressed. So it's going to be a .zip or RAR or whatever software you're using. And then you will have to extract it later. Let's save it. So once it has been saved, we'll just go to that folder where it was saved. And then we will just extract it. It should be an XML file. So let's extract here, and right there, it's an XML document. So once we have extracted the document, we are going back to our WordPress.org self-hosted site. And then once we go there to the admin area, we are going down to Tools right here and click on Tools. Once we click on Tools, we are going to click on Import. Now, since this is a website that I have just installed WordPress in, we don't have the plugin that we can use to actually import XML data or any kind of other imports. And since we are importing from WordPress, we are going to install a plugin that will help us do that. So let's go ahead and install this now. Now, after it's done installing, we're going to click on Run Importer. Right. So once we have run the importer, we are going to be on this page, and then we will click on Choose File, and then we'll get our XML file that we had unzipped from before. And click on open. Then we're going to click on upload and import. Once you're here, you can either change your author or create a new one or create another user. It doesn't matter. I mean, this is entirely up to you. And you definitely want to check the download and import file attachments, and then you click on submit. So it's all done. Let's have a look at our blog posts now. So as you can see, all the blog posts have been imported. Of course, we don't need this hello world, we can trash it already. Now we can have a look at our posts. Let's open one and see. There's a featured image already. Everything has been imported. Let's have a look at the site now. So this is what the blog looked like when I just installed WordPress in it. Now let's just refresh this page and see the blog posts already there. And there it is. The blog posts are already there. Let's have a look at one of them. The featured image is there. The blog post is there. Of course, once you do your import, then it is up to you to choose your theme and reorganize everything, the layouts, the design, and everything else. That will be up to you to kind of play with the theme and play with the plugins and do whatever you want with that. The point of this video is just to basically explain to you how to migrate from WordPresscom to WordPress.org. Once you've done that, then it is up to you to kind of change everything around and change your designs and layouts and whatever you want. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, another WordPress tutorial for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, that you have learned how to migrate from WordPress.com to WordPress.org. Again, if you find it really hard, you can watch the video again or go to the blog post that I have written. The link to the blog post is below in the description here on YouTube if you're watching this video on YouTube. And of course, if you have any questions about this video or anything else, please leave me a comment. Press the like button if you like this, subscribe if you like my content, and see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.